Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome back to the continuation of our e-learning program. Once again, I'm Mr. Alagbe Bashir. Last time we met, we solved about 2 examples on Venn diagrams and problem solving. So inshallah today we want to move on to the third example. In figure below, the numbers of elements in each region of the Venn diagrams are as given. Look at the Venn diagram. Very well. Have you seen the Venn diagram? Now, they now say if n, which is the universal set is equal to 30, find the number of A intersection B complements, then B, the number of A union B. Solution. The first thing that we want to look at is to find the value of X. Find the value of X. Is that clear? First, by finding the value of X, we have X plus 3 plus 10 plus 8 equals 30 from the Venn diagram. Have you seen it? You add it. After adding it, you equalize it to 30. So from this, we now say X plus 21. Where we got to 21 is 3 plus 10 plus 8, which is equal to 21. Exactly equals 30. Therefore, we now find the value of X. So we subtract 21 from 30, which will give us 9. Are we together? Which will give us 9. So the numbers A now, the numbers of A intersection B complement. Our A is 9 and 3. Our A is 9 and 3. While our B is 3 and 10. But B complement will be 9 and 8. That is what is not inside set B. Is 9. That is the value of X and then 8. Are we together? Therefore, is that clear? Now, therefore, the numbers of A intersection B complement is 9. That is what is common to both A, set A, and B complement is 9. Are we together? Then B, the numbers of A union B. Now from the Venn diagram, A union B consists of 9, 3, and 10. 9, 3, and what? And 10. Are we together? Therefore, the number of A union B will be 9, 3, and 10. Then you add the 3 together. 9 plus 3 plus 10, making 11. So making 22. So the answer is 22. Now, example 4. In the Venn diagram below, the numbers of elements are shown in the set. Look at it very well. The numbers of elements are shown. Now, given that the numbers of P union Q equals the numbers of P union Q complement, find X, and hence find N, that is the numbers of the universal set. Now, solution. P union Q. P union Q is you add everything that is inside P or Q together. That is x minus 16 plus 4 plus x minus 11. Is that clear? Plus minus 11. Is that clear? Therefore, we have this. And the number of P union Q complement is x, not 8, is x. From this is a typographical error. That is the x that is outside the circles. Is that clear? So, now you equate the two together. You now equate from the question that says that given that P union Q equals P union Q complement, you now equate it together. So it now becomes x minus 16 plus 4 plus x minus 11 equals x. Is that clear? So we now have 2x in the left hand side minus 22 minus 23, equals x. Therefore, x will be equal to 23. Are we together? X will be equal to 23. Are we together? So we now have, when we go back, our x is equal to 23 from x minus 16. From x minus 16. So you substitute 23 minus 16. You have 7. Also from 11, from x minus 11, you have what? You have 23 minus 11, making 12. Are we together? This is it. Then you have 23 as the value of x. Are we together? Therefore, the number of the universal set in this case will be 7 plus 4 plus 12 plus 23 equals what? Equals 46. Are we together? Are we together? So it's very simple. If you look at most of the questions that comes under it, all these questions are very simple. So you follow the same protocol. That's all. Is that clear? So look at the assignment that I'll give you. Look at the assignment. A company employs 100 people, 65 of whom are men. 60 people, including all the women, are paid weekly. How many of them are paid weekly? How many of them are paid weekly? Is that clear? So that is the assignment I'm going to give you. So try as much as possible to solve the assignment. So inshallah till we meet next lesson. Have a nice day.